I'm Richard Morgan from MES Security Systems. We supply and install foreign security systems across the Midlands, and to do that we have 10 vehicles on the road, which carries our engineers and obviously their equipment and the kit that they're installing or maintaining. We predominantly use the tracking system to, from a customer service point of view. So with the service side of our business, we've got 3 engineers who are on the road all day visiting multiple customers a day, and where we find a huge benefit is when a customer calls to get a bit of an ETA on what time the engineer is going to arrive, we can just log on to the system and it will give us a really good indication of when the engineer is going to be with our next customer. We use the system to keep track of any out of office hours mileage. We're a company, we have to provide a 24/7, 365-day-a-year service to our customers. So, it's important to us. We need to know when our vehicles are on the road, when our office isn't open. So the system gives us that. We use our trackers as a vehicle security system. So, we've got unplug alarms set up. So if anyone tries to unplug the tracker or tamper with it, we get a critical push notification to our phone, as well as obviously an email to our to our office. And we also use the data gathered by the trackers as like a strategic planning tool to help us forecast when we're going to need new vehicles in the business. So we're using the data on mileage to basically give us a good indication of what the annual mileage is for each vehicle, for each engineer. So then we can swap engineers into different vehicles if required, to balance out mileage across our fleet, or it helps us kind of plan when we're going to need another vehicle for a particular engineer. Last but not least, we use the fault codes that are reported via the tracker to our office to, that kind of alerts us of any faults with our vehicles. So then one of my colleagues can then arrange to get the vehicles booked in with our local repair centre to be investigated.